Hello guys, welcome back into today's crypto technical analysis. Today as usual with a multiple time frame analysis for BTC. If you get a value from this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it. Starting from a weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, as you can see, we closed last night the weekly with a pin bar. However, I can see the market is a bit excited because how this candle held the support level. However, as I mentioned in the last few videos, that extremely important levels 42,400 and 500 levels are extremely important based on my system, which I'm following, and we closed below this line, and we will see what will be the reaction from mid time frame as well as the daily time frame at around 44 and 45,500-ish dollar that we'll cover in a minute. So as I always say, that below resistance, most commonly used candlesticks, pin bar, as well as the bullish engulfing candles have a less effect because we've got the levels slightly above us and we will follow those levels. Slight touch on the higher time frame macro analysis, that exit levels were at around 64,500, 60,000, as well as the 52 and 48,000 dollars, and we saw massive decline in the market. That was actually everyone started the accumulation will take at around here. However, as I mentioned on my pinned tweet, that we've got one more leg down, you can start accumulating at around this box. So as you can see, value area low as well as point of control held, and we've got multiple time frame support. As soon as it held, it started pumping. However, daily also confirmed at around $18,000 and $19,000 once we had a trend change, retested, and since then we started pumping all the way to these are initial targets. However, I added target 5 as well as the 0.5 Fibonacci and target 6, and then the last target was based on a high time frame Fibonacci 618, and we saw as a result 215% pump for the spot back holders. However, as I said, this target has been reached, and we saw ugly decline right from 618, and then the eyes on the mid time frame as well as on the daily levels, which we're going to cover in a minute. Moving on with the lower time frame analysis, when the price was at around 41,000, 40,500, I gave this plan where we had the liquidity levels as well as in here, and both of them are cleared. As soon as we claimed this level, which I mentioned that in the last video as well, 40,350, and we started pumping all the way to this point of control that was a target. I also mentioned that minor pullback, and I will add it and all the way to the last target level. So as soon as we reached to the target, we rejected and we started pumping again. And as a result, this trade gave 8.5 R. I would like to draw your attention at the time factor. In advance, I gave these time factors as soon as we reached on the exact dates. So the BTC, we saw decent pump followed by another pump, and on Thursday it printed a local low and we started pumping all the way up to today's high. However, the next important dates that you have to keep an eye on: Tuesday, it's going to be tomorrow, and then 1st of February, Thursday, as well as the 2nd of February, which is going to be Friday. Follow the time factors alongside with the MTF support and resistance. It will help a lot. If you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. During the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Daily time frame on BTC under the bull's control. However, it is getting weaker and weaker. As long as we stay below this weekly level, it's going to be a bit challenging for the bulls. Without claiming this level, which is going to be 44 and 45,000 dollars, it's going to be early for us to talk about the trend change. And the next level is going to be this. Claiming the weekly, this level is not going to be challenging. 48,000 followed by 50 all the way up to 50,500 dollars are going to be the target levels. However, this is, as I said, it's very challenging level. 4 hour at the moment, heavily under the bear's control. However, we've got another component with the MPOC as well, 4 hour time frame. Based on a 4 hour, as I said, this is going to be a challenging. Without claiming this level as a support, it's going to be early for us to talk about the 48,000 dollars. If we claim as a support, then you can expect a trend change in the market. First target is going to be 46, followed by 48, and then further up. However, before that, you have to be aware of those levels, and we need to be aware of 44 as well as the 45,500 $500-ish. If we see, as I said, acceptance, higher levels. Otherwise, if we're going to see a rejection, something like this, first target level is going to be $40,000, followed by 38,000, and as I said in the last video, 36.5 and $37,000 are going to be the next target levels. We have to be aware of these levels, and as you can see, at the moment we are at a local resistance, and also 618 is confluence with the upper line of this hybrid system. As I said, without claiming this level, it's going to be early for us to talk about the trend change. And another important level is going to be, at the moment we are facing with the 0.618, the diagonal line, and the next one, which is a confluence with an important level. This is a blue line, 618 confluence with this blue diagonal. Without breaking this level, it is going to be early for us to talk about the trend change. And we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.